ka jingdro dur ba itenat ki bakdo shapang ka mai mariang ki khanatang kiriti dustur nalor ki tiar tenrai bat ki mrat khlau na ka jala Meghalaya ya ki balapun wandur bandro hakakanro ka office tray kam ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasil district Shillong daw ba Mario Pathaw unong dro dur ba pau ka nong ba lapli pai ba do ba polling do menteri badi khmi ya katnat art and culture ka sarkar jala hakano phaisi ka santari kulan kot arjar pusau kani ke jelang pli ya kani ke jingdro dur kynroh laya don lang da ka kong RM korba ka deputy commissioner ka East Khasil district ki officer lem ki we pat nolor nong punwandur ya ke jingdro uba Mario Pathaw hakani ke jingdro dur kynroh nolor ki shijur na ki jai benreu garu ki blapen I ya ka shat wangala unong dur wanra penkenma ki khanatang shapang ka Li Dohkha bat Woh Ryndi ki balakhai ki sim sutnga ki basinsyari ka rilom jentia menshwa na lor ka khana shapang ka Pah Syntiew ka bade ka khon ulei Shillong ya ka balapha bandon da ka jede ka bajan hapeng jong u bat u khon benreu.
What you have done today is encourage visitors, tourists visiting the state of Meghalaya to not only be mesmerized by our natural beauty, but also to step into something called immersive tourism. Immersive tourism is when a tourist goes beyond what hits his eyes and to try to go deeper, to immerse into the culture, immerse into the arts, the myths, the legends, the history, the cultural background of a people. And that is an experience that Meghalaya has so much to share with the rest of the world. Very few of our citizens are even aware of the fact that we have something called the Meghalayan age, which is a geological age determined worldwide, and the Meghalayan age is supposed to have started 4,200 years back until 1950, and therefore for a tiny backwaters of India to be recognized internationally and to have a geographical age named after our state is itself an achievement. I keep telling friends that a lot of us suffer from negativity bias, and therefore we tend to think in terms of what is going wrong with us. But if you look back at what has been depicted in these murals, you will see for yourself that Meghalaya has so much to offer to the rest of the world. If you think in terms of each of our waterfalls having their own stories behind, the hills, even the skies, and each facet of nature has a rich tapestry of beauty woven around it. That itself is something that we should be able to properly highlight to visitors.